If your knees ache with every step and you tried absolutely everything from injections to braces with no lasting relief, well, this could absolutely change everything. If you're dealing with knee pain, you know it doesn't just affect your joints, it affects your life. Bending, walking, or even getting out of a chair becomes a challenge. The pain might be sharp, stiff, or deep, and you've probably tried ice, pain meds, or braces just to get through the day. But the relief, unfortunately, just never lasts. And when you're told you're bone on bone and surgery is your only option, it can feel like there's no way forward. Now imagine for just a moment walking across the room without wincing, climbing stairs without hesitation, getting back to your walks, your workouts, your life without fear of the next flare-up. At Abundant Health Physical Medicine, that's not just a dream, it's what we help people achieve every day with our Renew protocol. Now here's how it works. We start with advanced digital imaging and a full joint and balance assessment to uncover the real cause of your pain. Well, then we activate your body's own healing with Softwave regeneration therapy, designed to stimulate tissue repair and joint renewal. We follow that with StimPod tPRF therapy to target and calm irritated nerves, relieving pain at the neurological level. Finally, our knee decompression therapy gently opens up space in the joint, bringing in hydration, nutrients, and reducing that bone-on-bone pressure for lasting stability and relief. Right now, you can claim our new patient voucher, which includes your first 2 visits, a consult, exam, digital x-rays, balance scan, and your very first advanced treatment, as well as my expert recommendation. This is normally $197, and you're gonna save over $100 through this special offer. So click the link before spots fill up and take your first real step toward freedom from knee pain.